All right, welcome to your aerial bar session. Let's get going. Step side to side, side to side. Beautiful. All right, just getting your bearing here. Just starting to warm up, elevate the heart rate, get the blood pumping. All right, let's add those elbows to the backs. We're gonna pump them back, pump them back. Beautiful. Just getting that heart going. Getting those elbows going. All right, how do you feel today? How do you feel? Just check in with yourself and just see how your body feels today. And tell yourself that you are here to accomplish your goals. You are here to accomplish what you sought out to do today. All right, you've got this. All right, we're gonna bring the knee up. We're gonna bring it up, 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 up. Up. Beautiful. Up, 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 up. So this is a little bit of a cardio infusion here. Focused on lunges. All right, you've got it. I know, just thought of those, right? Woo. Beautiful. All right, let's keep one knee up. Hold it up and breathe. Good. Let's rotate out the foot. Oh, all right. Makes you breathe hard there, other direction. Beautiful. And then other side. Lift. Excellent. Roll out that foot. Hearing all those pops and cracks and crinkles. Other direction when you feel good. Awesome. All right, now you can hang on to your fabric if you want. And we're going to bring the foot up in the back, just stretching out that quad. Now, you don't have to hang on to anything if you don't want to, but you can if you'd like as well. Okay? Excellent. Other side. Perfect. All righty. So we're going to go ahead and turn to the side. We're going to draw up that knee again. Draw it up, hold. Breathe. We're going to push back, lunge. Push back, touch, lift it up. 1, 2. Good. 3, 4, 5. Let's go 3 more. 3, 2. We're going to hold up. Hold, hold, hold. Hold up here. Beautiful. And other side. We're going to lift, hold, breathe, and push it back. Tap. 1. Lift it up. Balance. 2. Lift it up. 3. 5 more. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. Hold it up. Ooh. Lift and breathe. Hold. It's hard to do that if you just ate. Awesome. All right, coming neutral. All right, jumping jack. 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 more. All right. Grab your fabric. 1 foot goes inside. Catch your breath. What we're going to do is we're going to lunge forward. So we're going to lunge, step straight up, step. Good. We're going to lunge it back wherever you are. Lunge. Step up. 2. Lunge. 3. 4. That's it. 5. 6. 7. Beautiful. 8. Awesome. All right. Just shake it out. Relax if you need to, or you can go straight to the other side. We're going to lunge forward, lunge, stand straight up, lunge it back, lunge, step, lunge, step. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right. Just come out of there, relax, breathe, take a break. You can push those hands together. Excellent. Beautiful. Perfect. All right. We're going to go back to the fabric. We're going to push our foot to the front and to the side, okay? You do want to be in the center of your fabric, so don't worry about where your mat is. Push it to the side. You're going to lunge. Come neutral. Lunge. Come neutral. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, come up, other side. Lunge for 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 more. And 8. All right, push that out. Woo! All right. Let me just make sure. Ooh. All right, foot goes forward, stepping off your mat, making sure you're in the center of your mat, of your fabric there. All right, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go forward, lunge, you're gonna try and hold and breathe. You want your foot under your knee as much as you can. All right, other side. Excellent, and coming back up. All right, so we're just gonna go ahead and come down into a lunge here. And we're gonna stretch that knee. And we're gonna go ahead and stretch, come down to a yoga mermaid. And we'll go other side. Beautiful. All right, you did it. Quick and simple. Try it yourself. See what you think. Leave me a comment down. And I will see you in your next simple session.